Today you'll learn how to unlock the power of AI in your project management with ChatGPT. While it can't fully replace a human project manager, ChatGPT excels at organizing tasks, streamlining communication, and facilitating project workflows. Here's how you can utilize ChatGPT effectively. Each project starts with an idea that needs to be developed into a detailed plan, and ChatGPT is perfect for this task. You may use a very simple prompt, such as, "Build a project plan." The AI will come up with a simplified outline. Let's copy the text and put in information about our project. Obviously, we are starting by defining the project objectives and scopes, then proceeding with the associated activities involved. Provide ChatGPT with a brief overview of the tasks that need to be completed. Of course, it is important to include timeframes and milestones. Specify resources like budget or materials. Don't forget to outline the communication plan, detailing how the team will discuss project progress and update stakeholders. Also, consider monitoring and control strategies, including the project tracking mechanisms you will use. Now that the plan is ready, we can build a task list. You just need to ask ChatGPT to break down the project into smaller components. Let it be in table format for more visibility. We want columns such as task description, responsible team member, start and due date, and status. Awesome. However, I may have missed an important detail. I also want it to include priority and dependencies, so my team knows the sequence in which tasks should be implemented. You can now use this table as your guide in the project management tool your team is using. And if you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend Kanbanchi for organizing and managing tasks efficiently. Click the link in the description box to get 40% off your first purchase and enhance your productivity today. Effective communication is key to project success, and ChatGPT excels at crafting email drafts. You can start with a simple prompt like, "I need to send an email," and customize it to your needs. Expand it with details on what content the email will contain and to who it will be addressed. Don't forget to mention the tone of voice as well. After ChatGPT offers the first draft, you can easily make corrections by editing the prompt. Using this strategy, you can compose professional and well-structured emails and messages for your team, managers, and stakeholders to conduct status updates and check-ins. Here comes my favorite part. I'm typing this prompt, "Help me draft an agenda for the project status meeting." As a project manager, you have to keep in mind all the details to bring to discussions. So why not use AI to create a checklist and simplify this process? The amazing thing about ChatGPT is that it can help project managers with their most challenging task, problem solving. By including details about the problem in your prompt, the AI will analyze data and generate insights, and provide recommendations based on project parameters. Project managers often struggle with project tracking and reporting. Again, ChatGPT is here to assist. Start with a prompt like, "Help me create a project status report," and the response will guide you on what should be included in the report. You may also use ChatGPT to analyze an existing report and find specific data. For instance, your prompt might be, "Outline the key points from the report. Focus on any mention of the website." This way, no important detail will be overlooked. Now that you know how ChatGPT can guide you through the project plan and ensure stakeholder satisfaction, check the link in the description to get Kanbanchi at an incredible discount.